In this video, I will show how to hide or show notes in PowerPoint. So click on this notes. So here is the option to show the notes. And similarly to hide notes, again click on note, click on notes, it will appear. And to hide, again click here. So this is the way to show or hide notes. And once you see the slide show, and once you see the present preview, you will get the note with your slides. Also, you can make the note from here. Thanks for watching.